So here goes. We finally got the coveted talk box. This is the Spanish one. And I've not opened it. I was waiting to open it with you guys. All right. Step 1. Put up your guide or use it with the activity. Okay. Practice with the native speaker audio. Use the applicable phrases as life happens. And get the app. Okay. We have this mysterious thing. We'll open that in a second. I don't know what this is. Ooh, this is a poster. Okay, we'll open all this stuff and show you. What's this? Oh, thank you. Thank you for supporting Talkbox.mom. That's cool. Okay. Maybe we should look at these two things real quick. So this is a poster. There's actually two. I'm going to show you the other one. And it just has the names of lots of things. But it's interesting. So it says, instead of just saying broccoli, it's like some broccoli, some cooked broccoli. Interesting. Well, cocido, I guess, is for Spanish for broccoli. Oh no, I'm sorry. That must mean some. Broccoli, cocido, must be some. I don't know. So maybe it all becomes clear. This thing is really thick, so it likes to curl up. Here. What do we got here? Okay, so raw vegetables, cooked vegetables. So I think that the idea is that they're trying to teach you, the idea is that you try to learn as many useful things as you can. Let me just like hold the other side down with my foot. See my foot there. Una galleta, una paleta. Fun. Okay, that's that one. So this one says the snack chart. Oh, healthy snacks. This is pretty good. Un avocado. Slice of avocado. Some spinach, some kale. It's kind of cool how they tell you, because when you want kale, you usually would say, I want some kale, you know, or I want some spinach on my pizza. So it's nice to know how to say, because sometimes it's not always as clear cut. Pretty cool. So that's that. Oh wait, what's up here? Oh, do you want? Quieres, oh then quieren if there's 2 or more people. Nice. Okay, cool. Oh, so this is their little book. Oh man, let's look at this mini snack chart. It's funny. Okay. Okay. And then what is this? Okay. Same stuff, I think. Oh, you get a weekly tracker. Oh. That's fun. That's kind of handy. Okay, let's look at this now that we've gotten all the stuff out of it. What is this all about here? Let's start talking. How to learn faster. Don't let it in tears. That's always good. Okay. Okay. This is interesting. This is cool. So it's basically a very useful phrase book. You know, sometimes when you get phrase books, it's like, oh, it could be more for travel, but this is like phrase books just for daily life. Like useful things for daily life. Nice. Basically just a very thorough, oh look, where's the baby bag? It's funny. Yeah, stuff that you could use, you know, with if you have a family. Do you want to play with the ball? ¿Quieres jugar con la pelota? Cool. Alright, I get the idea. That's what this is. I'll just kind of flip through in big chunks so you can... Your backpack is next to the couch. But seriously, those are very useful phrases. I love it. That's pretty cool. This is really cool. Okay. So we have a lot more stuff. I'm not sure if it's going to be clear how to implement. I know they have their app. Maybe you just do the best you can. Okay, that gives you some info. What's the, oh, this is funny. Challenge 1, challenge 2, challenge 3. Oh, I like it that they did like challenges, and this is a dry erase material, so you can mark things on there and then wipe it off. So that's fun. I like that a lot. My kids really like challenges. I find other kids do too. So, fun sheet family goals. Okay. It's a little not as good, but okay. Hang on. Let's see, can I get this out like this? Oh boy, I got a whole folder here. A checklist in here. Challenge 3 checklist. I wonder if there's challenge 1 and 2 checklist somewhere. You know. Okay, so this is telling you how to implement. Let's see if there's challenge 1 and 2 in that. Oh, here, let me just set this aside. There's glue under there. Each one gets its own folder. And that's hilarious. Okay, that's challenge 2. This is challenge 1. They all get their own little folder. I don't know why they did that, but okay. So each seems like there's 3 different challenges. And I think we want to work through the challenges, and this seems like it tells you how to do it. I'm literally just opening this now for the first time with you, so I have no idea what I'm looking at. Guide in your... Yeah, so they're telling you how to go about it here. Oh, cool, man. And then we have, oh, look at that. It's cool. We have... Okay. Nice. All right. That's it. I think that's it. Wait. No, that's not it. I think these are flashcards. Let me open it. So I don't know if these cards are just for challenge 3. And I guess the idea is to remember as many things as possible. It's kind of cool. Why is that in red? Is that a different? Huh. I don't know why some things are in red. Again. So there you go. Got flashcards. I'm sure like when I look into all this more, it will all become clear. I kind of get a little bit of an idea on how to implement. So that's that. And I think there's one more. No, that's just part of the box. So that's it. guys, I hope that was helpful.